Hello and welcome to Beehive Tuition. We are specialists in catch-up tuition in both maths and English. So we demystify difficult concepts in both maths and English. And today we are working on the 12 times tables. So this particular timetable tends to be the last one that you learn. You learn your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then logic would have it that you would know your 12 times tables and you only have to learn 12 times 12. But in reality, it is a little bit more tricky than that. And we find that students are finding the 12 times table quite difficult to recall. So here is a quick trick in terms of your 12 times tables. What I love to say is that we use what we know to do what we don't know. So we all know how to count. So the first thing we're going to do is on the first side of our 12 times tables, we're going to count just from 1, 2, 3, 4, and we miss out the number 5. That's what we need to remember. Then we go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we miss out the number 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's key here is that we're just counting and we're missing out the number 5 and we're missing out the number 11. That's all you need to remember. For the second half, we are counting in twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 we represent as a 0, and then we go back to 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 again we represent as a 0, then 2, and then 4. And there we have it, our 12 times tables. So it is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, and 144. And there you go. I hope you found that useful. And all you have to do is keep practicing, and you will find that you're able to recall your 12 times table quite easily before long. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be more than happy to get to them. Let us know the timetable that you'd like us to cover next. And do make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other content that we will be bringing your way very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.